Hey guys, my name is Mace here at South Bay Hyundai, and today I have a treat for you. Today, we're gonna take the 2024 Santa Fe Calligraphy Hybrid for a spin. And we're gonna check out some drive modes, check out some features, and let's head out. So here we are. Already it feels good to be high up. I always feel this way when I'm in nice SUVs, like the Santa Fe and the Palisade. It just feels like you can see everything, you're up, everything's very visible, safe. And then the Santa Fe being so smooth, I like these. If we were to go on a highway, it feels like we're floating every time. And then just an FYI, we are starting off in eco mode. So, you know, restrained acceleration, saving gas. Still a bit of a smooth ride. And I definitely like the torque of the hybrid. But who doesn't? Go home. Yeah. Just even the position of this, because my arm feels good on this middle console. It doesn't feel like I need to reposition to get comfortable. Like this, it just feels good. I'm going to actually make a right here so we can try out some safety features while I'm here. So we're gonna turn on the lane follow and lane keep assist. I'll demonstrate that in a little bit. Let's actually catch up. Now, if you need it, the speed is still there with eco mode. I was gonna show you, but got a yellow light. So it doesn't restrain it too much. It still feels peppy. And there's just so much room. Display is easy to use. I was gonna turn on my cooling seats, but I don't always like those on. I was telling myself I was gonna actually utilize this camera, the rear view camera, but I still haven't gotten used to it myself. But actually, you know what? For video's sake, we shall all do this together. And I think I'm gonna reposition it. So let's do this and let's lower it a bit. Yeah, it should be okay. Right there. Perfect. Actually, since we have a curve here, I'm gonna put the car into sport mode. Lane follow assist is keeping me centered and curving with the lane as long as it identifies you're in the lane. And as you can see, it's working really well. So if you couple that with the adaptive cruise control, it's absolutely gonna feel like it's driving itself. I call that relaxed driving. As long as you keep your hands on the wheel, the car won't scream at you and you go on about your day. Yeah, I would take this car on a road trip. I gotta say, every time I drive the Santa Fe, one of my favorite things about it is the smoothness, and not just in the ride per se, but also in the turning, the maneuvering. It doesn't feel too rugged. And I know like some people still like a strong feeling. It still feels very solid, but I like how smooth it feels even though it's solid, if that makes sense. Sport mode is definitely active. Get us to the right. Easy to maneuver. And we already know most of the controls are very intuitive. Heads-up display. Got a nice little stretch here. All right, y'all, sport mode. And you guys can't see it, but in the heads-up display, since I'm utilizing the lane follow assist, it visualizes me being in the lane and keeping me centered. But in the heads-up display, since there was a curve right there and the lines were curving, the lines were curved in the heads-up display. And as they started to straighten because the lane was actually straightening out. So actually, I thought that was cool. I haven't seen that before. Still a lot of the same things we're familiar with. I see the blind spot detection on the mirrors, as well as the red waves on the the digital cluster, as well as in the heads-up display too. So there's 2 people in my blind spots right now. Now there's just 1. Yeah, Hyundai's done it again. I like this one as well. From the look, to the software, to the feel of the vehicle. I'm gonna take us past a little bit. And what I did want to do is, I don't think I can set it up while I'm driving. I'm gonna try though. Let's see. Setup, vehicle settings, and drive mode. Here's to the right over here. Blind spot view monitor. Although I still like to look over my shoulder just in case. Except in my car. All right, so I can make the brake normal or sport. So yeah, you can't customize these while you're driving, which obviously makes sense. But let's see what settings they had the mod drive on already. See how it feels. Okay, so the braking felt heavier, steering feels a little tighter. Somebody already customized this somehow. It feels restrained, like it's in eco mode, but still a bit stiff, like it's in sport mode. So that's interesting. And then, if this is okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hit a U-turn so we can get an idea of the turning radius. Which was not bad at all. That was actually really good for a big SUV. And then it's a hybrid, so it's quiet. There's just so many things to like about this. Even if you don't like driving, this would make driving more enjoyable for you. I'm definitely a person who, I don't necessarily like to drive all around the place, but when I have something I enjoy driving, it takes away from that toll. Because I don't mind being in that car. I don't mind driving. I don't mind maneuvering. So it's definitely a plus for me. We'll go back into eco mode. And of course, the phone and the wireless charger is in a great position. It's like people who are designing vehicles are getting much, much, much better at being thoughtful about certain things. So I really do appreciate that, and it's being exemplified from this back. And we are here. I'm gonna let them come past. I'm gonna go ahead and reverse over here. The backup camera with the 360 aerial view. And as you can see, dynamic guidelines. The yellow turns where the wheels are facing. The blue is where the car is facing. And now I'm just gonna back up in a straight line. Those are my parking sensors letting me know I'm close to stuff. We are all good. And it's so smooth. Nice. Front camera. All right, guys, so we just checked out the 2024 Santa Fe Calligraphy model hybrid. Again, my name is Mace. If you have any questions about the vehicle at all, leave a comment below or come on in and take one of these bad boys for a spin. Just ask for Mace when you get here.